Hello people, welcome to our channel. Hope you are all doing good. In our channel, we will be posting photography related contents and also some tech reviews. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video, we will be seeing a complete review about a Adcom Bluetooth Luminosa headset. Thanks Adcom for sending us this headset. Now let's quickly unbox it. They are providing 1-year warranty for this headset. It is a foldable headset, it has dazzling LEDs and it has a inbuilt mic in it, stereo sounds, leather padded cushions. It's also sports friendly. In the other side of the box, they have provided the charging time, music time. They have mentioned that it takes 2 to 3 hours of charging time and you can use it for 5 to 7 hours. And the operating distance is 20 meters. Now let's look inside the box. Inside the box they have provided some aux cable and some Adcom branding stickers, warranty card and also some 10% discount card and the user guide for the headset. They have also provided a USB cable for charging the headset. It's a B-type charging cable. Now let's take the headset out. Yeah, it looks amazing. They have given a glossy finish. The headset is fully made of plastic, but it gives a nice glossy finish for this. The one thing we noticed is it catches some fingerprints, so we should take care of it. They have provided an amazing LED design on both sides of the headset, showing their brand name. It is a color changing LED and changes from 7 colors. This LED gives a cooler look for the headset. They have provided a soft cushion in the top and also in both the cups they have provided with some artificial leathers. The cushioning they provided in both the cups are so soft, I like it personally. I have been using this headset for past 7 days. You can also extend the cups so that it can fit any head size. I will share my experience with this headsets. Now let us connect these headsets with our mobile phone. They have also provided a small LED to identify the status of the headsets. The LED blink in blue and red color if it is ready to pair. Now turn on the Bluetooth in your mobile phone and pair these headsets. Once it is paired, the color changes to blue, mentioning that it is paired now and ready to use. As far as I have used, the Bluetooth connectivity is really quick. Once you turn on the Bluetooth in your mobile phone, it gets automatically paired within few seconds. You can also turn on and off the LED lights displaying the Adcom brand name, but you can't control the colors that are displaying. Now let's see about the buttons provided. They have provided buttons for volume up, down, and if you hold you can change to next songs and previous songs, and buttons to play, pause, and also to answer or reject a call. One rare option that I found in this headset is FM radio mode. I have not seen many Bluetooth headset with this specification. If you press and hold the mode button, you can change to FM radio mode. It is a cool feature that many of the Bluetooth headset don't have. You can also use this aux cable for playing the music directly from your mobile phone or your systems. You can also use memory card. They have provided a memory card slot. With my experience in the last 7 days, I see that the headset takes 2 to 2.5 hours for full charge and it comes around 5 to 5.5 hours. Now moving to the audio quality. For this price range, I really didn't expect this type of audio output. The audio output is extraordinary and the bass is boosted nicely. But the inbuilt mic performance is somewhat average. That's it people. If you are looking for a headset with amazing features under 1500, you can go for this headset. I have attached the Best Buy link in the description. Have a good day and bye until our next video.